I believe that scheduling appointments with people is a really important skill to learn because most of your life you will be having to schedule an appointment with other people in the world. And so whether that's, scheduling an appointment to talk to your boss or scheduling an appointment to talk to a college professor or even just scheduling an appointment to go to the doctor, I think it's really important to know how to do that. And, sometimes that's just calling people up on the phone and asking them for an appointment. But I try to make it as easy as possible to get an appointment with me as a student so that you can get help whenever you need help. So there's two places you can go to do that. The easiest is probably my webpage on the Pomona High School site. And you should have this bookmarked. And you can see right here, it says use the button on the right to schedule an appointment on my calendar. So that's this button that says schedule an appointment with Alan. So you click that button and then it goes to my Calendly app. This app communicates with my calendar and you can select times where I'm available. So you click meet with Alan and then you select a day. So let's say I want to go on the 22nd. And then on Thursday, I know that I have study hall at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to click 1 p.m. Click confirm, and then I just fill in this information. So I fill in my name, my email address, and what I would like to discuss. So maybe I want to ask questions about the upcoming essay that I'm writing. And then you click schedule an event. And what that does is it then communicates with my calendar. It puts the event on the calendar and it sets two notifications for me. It sets an email that goes out the day before to my email. It reminds me that I have an appointment, and it also sets up a phone notification the day of. So I get two reminders that you have an appointment coming up. So you can do it on this website. You can also access that in Schoology. So if you go to your Schoology class under course information, you can click this schedule an appointment with Alan, and it'll bring up the same app. It's just its own web page now. So we can do the same thing. We can click on the 22nd. We can click 1 p.m., confirm, and then we fill in our details and click schedule an event. So it's really easy to do. And then that way you can easily make an appointment with me and come in, and then you're guaranteed to be able to sit down, because sometimes when you do pop-in visits, I have other students and I can't meet because I have a whole line of kids to talk to. So this way makes it really easy to guarantee a slot for you so that you can come and talk to me, because I'll bump those other pop-in kids so that I can talk to you. So that's how you schedule an appointment.